Today I am unboxing an Amazon package. This item is the Galax Pro electric angle grinder, 4 amps, and it has the 4.5-inch cutting wheels. It's supposed to come with cutting and grinding wheels, as well as a flap disc and auxiliary handle. It was $39.99, but if you have Amazon Prime, your price is $26.99. This video is not sponsored. It is a unboxing video. I have no idea what I'm getting in here. The image on the thumbnail is what I'm supposed to get, but the last time I unboxed a tool from Amazon, it was not a pleasant experience. Today I have a guest with me doing the honors of unboxing this for me. This is my son Christian. Let's get into it. I don't think you have to cut it. I think you can just rip it open. This came through customs because I'm in Jamaica, and I'm surprised it still has the tape on it. Okay, so it's in a box. It's supposed to be brand new, but it looks like they opened it because it's not sealed. Alright, this is the first look. What's the receipt? Yeah, there it is. Oh, so it's actually a promo price, but this is the price that it's at still on Amazon. Oh, the promo is a free shipping. I got free shipping for it. It would have been $28.40 to get it here, but it's over $35, so I got the free shipping. Sorry. And yeah, this was a gift, by the way. Thank you. You know who you are if you ever see this video. Now look at the box. Put it on top of the box. Alright. Oh, and this is not good. It's supposed to be a brand new item, but the box is busted. What it would have come in a case. This is it. It says made in China. That's the first thing I spotted on the label. Angle grinder, 4 amp, AC professional tools. As you can see from my last video, I did get the remaining tiles, so I didn't want to have to bother anybody to use their tile cutter, so I got this one. This is how many? Oh, these are the wheels. I may have to get more. May have to get a tile blade. This is what I was. What is this? This is. Ew. Like, I am not sure. I'm not a professional, but the last time I bought one, it was not like this. I think this is swollen. The light is reflecting. That's goo. I don't think this is very strong, and it's like probably you can see the impression of my nails in it. This is a grinding wheel. Can you open this so I can see the... This is misleading. This is very misleading because this part right here, I thought that was the... It's blurry. I thought this would have been like, you know how the tile blade looks, but the edge, the diamond edge, this is what it looks like on the picture, as you can see, but it's just a painting. Open this so I can see them, please. I got the handle. I got tool itself. And it's scratched up. This was bought brand new. It's not like a light new product. It's scratched up like it was used. This is not very. This is not very. This isn't new. And it smells. It's not that heavy. I had one before and it was way heavier. That's why I couldn't use it. I was terrified of using it. But this one isn't so heavy and it's smaller, which is perfect. This is what it looks like. I am going to test it, and this is the manual as well as the tool to get the thing open. I'm not very pleased. For one, this is supposed to be a brand new item. The box is very busted up. It's not from delivery. It was put in here like this. I'm not even sure this item is new because it's scratched up. Like, not saying that it really matters to me, but to know that this was listed as new and it's in this condition, I don't know what to say. And it could have been from this, could have been scratched up from the outside of this, or I have no idea. It's in plastics. I don't. This is what I'm talking about. This is split. This is not supposed to be like this, and I don't think this is safe to use, because this looks like it can shatter at any point in time while you're using it, which is terrifying to use this tool by itself. This is what the blades look like. I'm not sure. This one looks to be like it has a crack in it right there. This is metal stainless steel, so I'm definitely gonna have to go back and buy a tile blade. Yeah, it says, I think it says granite on there, granite marble. I'm gonna have to definitely buy a tile blade. This is not gonna cut through tiles. I don't think so. I will test it, but however, from my experience, I don't think this can be used. These are too thin, and this is a grinding wheel. But that's the first impression. This video is gonna be a little bit longer than I anticipated, but I'm gonna test it. I'm gonna fill it up and I'm gonna test it.